Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to find all the posts you have liked in the Threads app on your Android phone. This guide will help you easily access your liked posts and manage them whenever you want. First, open the Threads app on your Android phone. Make sure you're in the Profile section. You can do this by tapping your profile icon. Next, tap on the two-line menu icon located at the top right corner. Scroll down through the menu options and click on Liked. Here, you will see all the posts you have liked. If you want to remove a like, just tap on the heart icon again. Finally, refresh the page to update your liked posts list. That's how you can easily find and manage all the posts you liked in the Threads app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more useful tips.